Well, people in need of surgery may not be getting them anymore. The surge in COVID hospitalizations is forcing Providence to postpone some non-emergency surgeries. Elenee talked with a mom today who was concerned for her son. Elenee.
Well, this is the third time Providence has had to postpone some surgeries during the pandemic. It was a confusing few hours for one Spokane mom because she was worried her son's open heart surgery would be pushed back. Hours after it was announced, Providence gave him a call back saying that it wouldn't change, and she was relieved. In most pediatric cases, there won't be any changes to surgeries, but it is all on a case-by-case basis. It's the third time in the last year and a half elective surgeries have been postponed as hospitals fill up once again with COVID patients. It's like a broken record for doctors. The same thing's coming back around.
We're tired of seeing people die. We're tired of seeing people that are really ill. And now we have a solution. Like if you have an answer to this in front of you, why would you not choose to take it, especially given the preponderance of evidence that we have now that shows that it's clearly safe?
Hospitalizations in Spokane County are increasing again. Most of these are people who are not vaccinated, according to Dr. Dan Getz with Providence. We spoke with him just last week. At that point, things were going okay and everything was on schedule. 5 days later, Holy Family and Sacred Heart announced they needed more space, rescheduling non-emergency surgeries on a case-by-case basis.
What we're seeing at our hospital is consistent, again, with national trends. When you look at national trends in vaccinated versus unvaccinated, roughly 2%. So 2 out of every 100 hospitalizations are people that have been vaccinated. 98% are unvaccinated people.
Providence says this hospitalization surge is different than the others. It's seeing more young to middle-aged people rather than the elderly. That, and Getz says there's now a way to help prevent people from coming into the hospital.
Those are the patients that have chosen not to be vaccinated. So that's what we're seeing in our ICU. Patients traditionally younger. The 50-year-old crowd is making up a lot of our ICU patients, and that's really concerning.
Providence says it will be letting patients know as soon as it can if their surgeries are being rescheduled. They are looking at the situation every day. Live in Spokane, I'm Elenee Dow, 4 News Now.